Okay, so there's two things. One, if you want to actually share it with another editor, or if you want to just download and share the image. So we're just going to go through both of them. So first option is you click on the menu and go share, and you have, usually it's only you can access. Uh, but if you want to share access, just go and change it to anyone with the link. So you copy this link. You can also just not now, dude. Oh, you can give specific rights to the people you're gonna give access to. So, for example, maybe you just want them to view or just comment instead of editing. But yeah, you can change that from here. And just copy the link and give it to anyone you want to give the access to, and that's it. Second option, if you just want to download it, just click on download. Wait a few seconds. I mean, just go through the settings, file types, and just click download, and you'll end up with a PNG file you can post on social media or email or do whatever you want. But yeah, that's it.